Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Hero, and today we have electric circuit box, a motor and a battery holder and wires. We need a switch.
Okay.
So there's two magnets and there's copper wire and metal there.
Nice.
1.5. Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Hero, and today we have electric circuit box. And so today we are going to do this.
Okay, what do you have, Mr. Hero?
A motor and a battery holder and wires. So I screw the red one with the red.
Okay, what are you doing?
Screwing the wires on.
So do we have to meet the red and red, black and black?
Yes.
Why is that?
If we attach the red with the red, that means it works. If we attach the black and the red with it won't work.
Okay. So can you explain me how the motor works?
Yes, we attach the battery, we hold it to it.
Okay. Do we need a switch in between or no switch?
Yes, so the battery doesn't get dead. We need a switch.
Okay. That's how the switch works?
Yes, you need another wire.
So you need more wires?
You need only 2 wires.
Okay. What is that?
I'm attaching a switch.
Okay. Okay, so when you put the battery in there.
The battery.
Okay.
One wire is going straight to the motor, and this wire is connected to the switch, and the other wire going to the motor. If you flip the switch, electricity goes down into the motor. Now you need to operate the light bulb.
Okay, but how the motor works? What is around it?
So there's 2 magnets and there's copper wire and metal there. And then those 2 rubber things doing that lets electricity to go in the copper wire.
Okay, and how the switch works? Wow, Mr. Hero. It's really working, eh? Mr. Hero, can you show me how this meter works?
Yes.
Okay, so one wire is going through that meter. Can you tell me what you're doing right now?
I'm checking how much volt the battery has.
Okay, so you're checking how much voltage that battery has. Okay, Mr. Hero's got connected and how this switch works. Nice. Mr. Hero, how much volt does this battery have?
1.5.
So how about if we put one more battery?
1.5, total 3 volt. So if we want to attach one more battery, so we switch this one into this.
Why is that?
Because if we attach it to this, because it won't work.
Okay.
So that's why we need to put it there.
Because this can handle up to only 3 voltage, and if you need more voltage, we need to put another one, which can handle 15 volts. So we are going to add one more battery in between, and let's see how much voltage now we're gonna get. So what are you doing now, Hero?
Adding battery.
Are we adding one more battery? So how much is total now? So 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. So it's going to be 4.5 voltage. Or let's check on the meter. Okay, how much voltage do you gonna have now, Hero?
I want 15.
Okay, go. Let's turn the switch on. And here we go, friends. Now Mr. Hero has 4.5 voltage. Yay!
Thanks for watching. We're making more videos. Love you.